Get ready for class. We are doing actively trigonometry chapter. Since 5-6 days, we are learning trigonometry, trigonometrical ratios, angle values, and trigonometrical complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. And in the fourth exercise, trigonometrical identities. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. 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 Oh. Identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I will write here. Number 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. These are the allied forms. How we include it? In previous class on Saturday, I explained how it is. Once again, I explained. In the right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, sin square plus sin square is equal to hypotenuse square. The same in trigonometry, opposite side of the triangle, opposite side of angle of theta by hypotenuse, opposite side of the theta square plus adjacent side of theta whole square is equal to hypotenuse square. The side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. The side opposite of theta, angle, acute angle, and adjacent side of the theta. Now, if we dividing both sides by dividing on both sides by hypotenuse square. So opposite side by hypotenuse square plus adjacent side square, adjacent side square by hypotenuse square is equal to hypotenuse square by hypotenuse square. Okay. And this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Opposite side by hypotenuse, sin square theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the main first idea. Second time, we are dividing both sides by opposite square. Third time, dividing both sides by adjacent square. Now, second one, this is first. Second one, show that 1 plus tan square theta Prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Under 1 mark they will ask, prove that, prove that, or show that, prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. We know tan theta can be written as, in terms of sin and cos, sin theta by cos theta. Now, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse, hypotenuse cancel, opposite side by adjacent side. So we can write this as opposite side by adjacent side is nothing but tan. Sin by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So in place of this tan theta, we can write as sin square theta by cos square theta. Now LHS. This is LHS. Take LCM cos square theta. Cos square theta will come here. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now this is 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos theta is the reciprocal of sec. 1 by cos is sec. So this is secant square theta. Like this. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Or you can get also dividing both sides by adjacent square side. Square of adjacent side. By adjacent side cancel. We get 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Now, similarly, we can get two more aligned formulas. First one, one is equal to this plus tan square theta will go that side as minus, and tan square theta is equal to tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. These are the aligned formulas from this main principle. Now, second, here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That's why 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta, reciprocal of cos theta is sec square theta. And third, so second I am writing here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And aligned formulas are A1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, and B tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. And third, similarly we can prove 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Cosec square. Okay. And the aligned formulas are 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta, and B cos square theta is equal to, this plus will go that side as minus cosec square theta minus 1. Now, I will prove this also. Prove that 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. One plus cot square theta. Cot is LHS. 1 plus cot square theta. In place of cot, what we can write? Cos by sine. Cos square theta by sin square theta. Take LCM. LCM is sin square theta. The sin square theta will come here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know from first formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. In place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 by sin square theta. And 1 by sin is the reciprocal of sin is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. RHS. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. We say these three are identities. Because in a rectangle triangle there are three sides: opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Dividing on both sides by three sides differently. First time by hypotenuse square, second time by opposite square, third time adjacent side square. If we divide like this, we get these three identities. These are the main principles. And fourth, tan theta by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. And sixth, product of T ratios reciprocals is 1. Sin theta into cosec theta 1, and the cos theta into sec theta is 1, and tan theta into cot theta 1. And we can also write sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, cos theta 1 by sec theta is 1 by cos theta, reciprocals. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta, 1 by cot theta is tan theta. So these are the main 6 important formulas. First problem, number 1. So that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta. We have to prove tan theta plus cot theta is, we have to prove RHS, sec theta into cosec theta. LHS start. LHS tan theta plus cot theta, LHS. How to write tan theta? There is formula sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Now LCM cos theta into sin theta. Take LCM sin into sin. And sin squared theta sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. In place of sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, we have to write 1 by cos theta into sin theta. We can write this as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. 1 by cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, and 1 by sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta. So like this we have to prove. LHS is equal to RHS. Tan theta plus cot theta. Tan sin by cos. Cot cos by sin. Take LCM. Denominators. Cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. Cos theta into cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 by cos theta into sin theta. 1 by cos reciprocal is sec. 1 by sin theta is cosec. Like this. So that sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2. It is a plus b whole square. It is a minus b whole square. Sum of these two. It is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. We know answer 2 of a square plus b square. In place of a, there is sin theta. In place of b, there is cos theta. So a square plus b square. This can be written as LHS. For every problem, we write LHS. Left hand side, we have to prove right hand side. Answer. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2 of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. First identity. So in place of this, we can write 2 into 1, that is 2. Like this. Okay. Another problem. Third. Sin square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to sec square theta sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Okay. LHS. tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. Take tan square theta common. Tan square theta taking common 1 plus tan square theta. We know second identity 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So in place of this we can write as secant square theta. And what is tan square theta in terms of sec? Tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta minus 1. So here this is sec square theta minus 1 of into multiply sec power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Oh. Fourth, cot square theta plus cos cot square power 4 theta is equal to cosec square theta minus cosec square theta cosec power 4 theta minus cosec square theta. Same as the previous problem. LHS. For every problem, write LHS. We have to solve problem from LHS to RHS. Taking cot square theta plus cosec cot square power 4 theta. Taking cot square common. Cot square theta common 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta formula identity cosec square theta. Cosec square theta in place of this, then write cosec square theta, and in place of cot square theta we can write as cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1 multiply. It becomes cosec power 4 theta minus cot square theta. Prove. For every problem, write prove. So prove. Prove. Prove RHS. LHS to RHS. Fifth. Fifth. Cos power 4 theta into sin into tan theta plus sin power 4 theta into cot theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Yes. So that for every problem, write so that solve LHS. LHS is equal to cos power 4 theta into tan theta plus sin power 4 theta into cot theta. This is LHS. And how to write tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin. Now, cos power 4 theta into sin theta by cos plus sin power 4 theta into cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is cos by sin. Now here cos theta cancel. This 4 becomes 3. And sin theta cancel here 3. Now this is cos cube theta into sin theta plus sin cube theta into cos theta. Okay. Taking cos theta sin theta common. Cos theta into sin theta taking common. Here remains the cos cube, no? Here remains the cos square theta. Cos theta sin theta taking common. Here remains sin square theta. Sin square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 identity. Now this is cos theta into sin theta into 1. Finally, this is cos theta into sin theta 1. Proof. Sixth, sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2. So that by seeing this problem, sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Now this is 1 minus LHS. One minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b formula. Now, we can split into factors. You can write numerator as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by denominator 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Plus second. As per the right factors, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta cancel. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus tan cos theta cancel. What are the terms left? 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta. Plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is. Like this we have to do by applying formulas. You please practice all these formulas.